Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to talk about Studio by WordPress. So we will see what's new in WordPress Studio. So first of all, I am going to open the Studio by WordPress, and I have already installed latest updates. So if you haven't updated the Studio, just go to Studio menu and then check for updates. So if you haven't installed latest update, it will start updating over here. I have already installed, so it says no updates available. Now we will see what's new in this update. So I'm gonna go to help and select what's new. So first thing is dark mode is here. So I'm gonna go to Studio settings, and I have already selected system setting, and my system is in the dark mode. Default you will see something like this, and if you prefer dark mode, then you can select dark. So I'm gonna keep this as system. So that's that. Now let's see what's new. Now this one is my favorite. So phpMyAdmin support is there. So this is my site created in Studio, and if you see this button over here, so when you click, it will open phpMyAdmin for that specific site. And yeah, if you are WordPress developer, you must know this phpMyAdmin. So basically you can see all your site data inside this. Now what's new? CLI support. So I'm gonna go here. So what CLI support is? We were already be able to run the CLI commands using terminal. So you can just click the terminal button and then you can just run the WP CLI command here. But what this is, that this is specific for handling the Studio operations like creating a site, delete site, create preview, delete preview, etc. So for that we have to go to Studio setting, and here you can enable the Studio CLI for terminals. So let's save it. It will ask for password. So the CLI has been installed successfully. So now CLI has been installed. Then the Studio CLI and work with Studio command. Now command follow the button. So let's try to just run this command and see. Okay, so CLI is there. Now let's try a command. This is, you can visit this page to explore all the commands, but let's try something. Let's try to create a new site. So I'm gonna just run this command, Studio site create, and site name will be BuntyWP. Site path I will keep default. Latest PHP version 8.3, custom domain, skip, admin username, admin, password, and then it will, the selected directory is already in use. So let's refresh this. Selected directory already in use, it says. So let's try to create again BuntyWP site path. Let's say local sites BuntyWP. Okay, after changing the path, site has been created. And it is now opening auto login on the site. So yeah, basically you can perform the studio site creation or any operation you follow here. Okay, this is our new site. Yeah. So this is what Studio CLI is. It's basically the perform the studio operations. Let's try this command studio site list. And yeah, we have two sites. Okay, the first one was failed because my site was already there with this BuntyWP name. Let's see if I can update the site information. We have, okay, site set. Okay, let's try this site set. List one option, site set name equal to test WP. Like how to use this command. Okay, options, site set help. Path name domain, then WordPress version. So site set, I think we have to go to that specific sites terminal. So I'm gonna open this sites terminal. Studio site set dash name equal to test WP. Okay, so yeah, for updating or setting sites data, we have to go to the terminal of specific site. So now this site has renamed to test WP. So yeah, this is the studio command. Now this specific thing we could directly run with WP CLI command. Now studio can allow WordPress command as well, but you can run this command without studio as well. So this is my site specific terminal, and if I directly run this command, it will just give me the output of that specific command. So for this running WP CLI command doesn't make sense. But yeah, I think if the WP CLI is not installed on your system at that time, you can use Studio with WP CLI commands. I'm assuming that, but yeah, you could try this. I have already installed WP CLI on my system, so that is working fine. So that's for the Studio CLI. Now what's new? The last one is this introducing blueprints. So this is going to be little lengthy explanation for blueprints. So I will create another video for covering this specific topic for blueprints. So this is what's new in the studio by WordPress. My favorite one was the phpMyAdmin, and yeah. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.